Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable battery percentage in Android 11 and Android 12. When we open the settings, generally in phones battery percentage option remains in battery option, but here when we open the battery option there is no option of battery percentage. So here what we have to do to enable battery percentage in Android 11 or 12, just scroll down and here you will see an option of system. Tap on system. Now tap on status bar and here we got the both option, battery status style and battery percentage. So tap on battery percentage. From here you can choose any option you want, and from battery status style you can change here its style also. So if you like my video, so please subscribe my channel. See you next video. Till then, goodbye.